village. And I were him. Hey, Ghana, Fusu Mua. Woko cast Samana Ghana Fusu Mua. Sebi. Sebi ne me kan Edru saying. Sebi ne me kan Edru saying. One kind, my main kind being count. Sebi Nkuabi Bribe 10-20 Yen ya sofo ho aba asem no. Na ye nyan kwasiafo asofo nso a mo nkwasiafo agimifo asofo mintu sebi da. Ye nyan kwasiafo asofo nso so kabi sofo ho aba asem no. I was a wotin a chili na bom man. You have to pray for your colleague pastor. You have to pray for your friend's pastor. Sa asem na ato no Awurade beyi na frim. Na watimi ahye hodin. Te said ye me obinim. Bishop obinim, Injiri obinim, Kwadwo obinim, ebi to me a mi hye hodin no. Na yenya nkwasiafo agimifo asofo akotenatena TV, radio, so social media kasofo ni gum kabi obebom pa ya masofo no se Awurade ma minua asofo yi mani ntwa so mani nye kom mani nye din ma minua asofo ni nye sei no ana obetry a pen number try a pen number no na wone nakasa no nkwasiafo agimifo asofo nkwasiafo asofo mini obi atem apart from pastors, apart from asofo, many footballers, musicians, bloggers, and yomtofo politicians, many obi any asem. But in kwasiafo agimifo asofo wunu asofo ho aba asem a ono na ye boni din bone wo Ghana ono na meka say aduru ni so ana menka na say wunu asofo anya problem wanya asem say eye ne fault say nya ne fault say ye ne mistake na osofo a obehwe wunu ane number afre no wuni ni number ubetu ka akoho nane na kokasa woni ne kokasa uduru ni nchen a eno asem enu asofo wadaworo asem ni twaso shehodin enkasa nya peace of mind na ye wa sorry heaven ubeko bi ni hia because Christianity based on heaven. Say would you heaven if you believe heaven, if you don't believe heaven, Christianity based on heaven. According to Matthew chapter 6, verse 33 and 34, Christianity based on heaven. So you have to go to your fellow pastor and advise him, my brother, keep quiet, don't talk. Get your peace and do your ministry. Now you are becoming talking, foolish pastors and stupid pastors. Misi mini obi atem pastors the made him atem because eye wunu ya na ne ho aba asem ejimifo asofo amaba Ghana ho nkwasiafo asofo amaba Ghana ho na asofo tete TV, radio, social media kasa uwa futuo tu nyame nipa uwa futuo tu sofo a uwa futuo if you have advice to give to the pastor uwa futuo masofo a social media ni kutunifo and now person also wujidin uye famous kwasiafo yesem beto to sebi again the church like again the church adwuma where heaven is woni so. Please those understand my language, please forgive me. I know many people don't understand my language, please forgive me. I will speak English to you very soon. I want to talk to my fellow pastors in Ghana or my fellow pastors at Ghana. I want to talk to them. Please forgive me. Forgive me. Forgive me. I know people don't understand my language. Enkophobia Jimmy too much. Asofo amowo Ghana crowd ebi mu. Enye mu nyina ebi mu Jimmy dodo. Mo Jimmy papa. Again the chese adwuma we because of heaven. What's proof? What's proof? Sadia we because of heaven you are doing the work of God. You are doing this work of God because of how you get food to eat. You are doing the work of God because of how to get money. You are doing the work of God because of money. You are not doing the work of God because of you want to win souls for Christ. Because of money. Because of money. Pastor, a man of God. You call yourself as a man of God. You cannot call your friend pastor, colleague pastor to advise him. Please don't talk. Be quiet. Get your peace and do your work. You cannot advise your friend's pastor. You want to advise your friend's pastor on social media. Where? Okay. Asofo amowo Ghana de bi mo Jimmy papa. Na wunu asofo nso akohye nkom. Na ufi say enkom hye nya. Let me talk to you. Wunu asofo akohye nkom. Na ufi say enkom hye na wunu asofo ne kohye enye. Because IGP has banned to prophesy about, you know it, police penina be banned prophecy. Say more mushishan come for one doom and one panic prophecy no munyai. Na ibimu abeshe bimu anshe. Na no yenya asofo bimu tete mu ma solid dem. Yenya asofo bi tete solid dem ni abonten eke kasa. Na ma babonten say adenti na manshe nkom no osofo ade na wanshe kwa bemu de IGP be yew mukure yen so ko hyesa nkom no so kra mukure ko hyesa nkom ka so mu ade bo no mo anka mo miama bloggers fo ne nka listen to me ade bo no anka mo mayama bloggers enka mo mayama presenters enka mo mayama journalists fo nka mo mayama ewiasefo na Bible say ye krata ma wo mo no moma yema wo mo ne readie no monka moma yema obiala wo Ghana ho anas outside Ghana enka eni kwase koye ye asofo ye pastors na wo sofo atwe microphone kutaw say IGP she nkom say me ye prophecy no adentina mo a mo hye nkom no efa nation ho no ahwan adentina mama kamen wuso se be jeliu na obi atima babonten ai media nka minsuro media rade ma message a me share no ya jeli me ai de wan ko hye bi munya asofo me ni asofo me kasa kire ma so le mabata. I want to talk to the pastors. Asofo mo Ghana mo na mugu adwuma na nimu ase munya ejimi sem no asofo mo Ghana munya isa ade no asofo mo Ghana ade na mo yesa me ni nkofo bebre nyaasem me nyaasem ni bi o Ghana me nya asofo bebre timi frɛ me sɛ e ma me nkasa be quiet, don't talk, do this and your social media na ko to obi fo wo hwehwe obi na ma obenya ana betima kona asole fie ho obi na atwero immo osisen obi na atwero Imofia village oseden eno kwa na akai me nya ma se ka meka ho asem ade na a Christopher amubo Yesu din. You call yourself as a Christian, you call yourself as a believer, you call yourself as a child of God. Na wo so wo kabi anamuni se mugu ni na mugu Christianity ni mo ase hwe enne mo man krofo a lot of people are akodi Islamic Muslim chi mama a lot of people ako follow even idol worship different Aden na wose mo yesa. Oh no. Please stop that. Asofo mu gu Yesu animu ase too much. Like hey. Oh, this is serious. This is serious. This is serious. This is serious. Eradiam bring it. Hey. Me say me topic for today. Eradiam bring it. Obi dawa. Obi ntimi mbliko obi dawo. En eradiam kun obi obi ntimi kun obi. Eradiam fo obi anto foma. Obi ntimi fo obi nto foma. Eradiam say obi a. Obi ntimi say obi o. Aya munkobusa asofo mpanifo no. Aya munkobusa asofo mpanifo. Because asofo mpanifo am a senior man. But omo di kan ansa na yeba no. Te say obi te say ebia ya papa no omo di kan te say Ajenasare ene Mensa Wutabelmo ene Don Cambuliam Simone Dark wadmo Simone Kwachi Ankramo sam papa fo no Istura na bamo ene Ampia Kofi mo Reverend Steve Mensa mo sam penifo no Ransford Obemo Sofo Victor Osemo sam penifo no edos miti mbobo bebre di nko meka sana bebre ba omo na start answer na ye di wo machi so ati ase omo na start answer na ye di wo machi kobusa wo mo se adwuma we se wa anye ni ya hwan le bo so woten Christians lack sense. I'm telling you the gospel truth. Tina debia afram ben moshi a wo social media osa wo Ghana mo social media bebre nim no debia fire Christians no. He's my friend. But just say he believe you different and believe you different. You can call Afram and ask him. I talk to him every week, every month I talk to him. You can ask him, Afram Bemoshi. I know he's watching me here. He's my friend. He's my friend. Yes. I talk to him every week, every month. But in the believe you're different. And I believe you're different. Nenon chance I'm in casentin or ba me di me so me kuni dim. Obiane ni believe. We are all human beings. Mama, hey, I'm sad. I don't want to change my topic, but I want to talk about this more for you. I'm sad. Let me talk to Christians and pastors. Because if you don't believe God and Jesus Christ, I don't care. And if you are watching me here, you can write any comment here. I don't care. You know Obinim. Obinim is not small Obinim. I started this work when I was 12 years. I started this work when I was 12 years. I started this ministry, this work, when I was 12 years. So you can check it. You can check it. Okay. Because I've been doing this work. I've been doing this work more than 30-something years. Because right now, in my 45 years, next year, August, in my 45 years. So, remove 12 from 45. You see, I've been doing this work. I've been doing this work 33 years, getting to 33 years, next year, August. I started this work when I was 12 years. But I want to talk to Christians and pastors. Before I will talk to my members at Ghana, Kumasi. What do you want to be kobusa so from penifo na? If you don't ask them, let me tell you. Hwe adwuma we wan ye ni ya wo ho. Se wan ye adwuma we ya. Onipa, minga so onipa, do betimi atia is God and Jesus Christ. You can ask the elders. Who obeti me busam penifo na omu di kan ye adwuma wi ansa na ye ba no because ye time no. Unse me time no ye Kumase me time no a me see so no me opambo mu Beniza Adako Yado Joshua Jane mu Kumase apa life mu won apa life Joshua Jane Ebenezer opambo because Metro TV me kai Metro TV ye yi mi program ye yi opambo program so sa those time no ye time no Kumase ena me de ba Accra me ba Accra so for besla me first e kum chacha so for kum chacha ne besla me first e wa Accra man sole ansa na computer man so besla me second on ne besla me second ansa na other pastors e besla me so ati ase sana asofo aka besla me but me start wo Kumase my adwuma na che menye ne obini menye ne sofo but I'm very sad me person me kasa kire Christians and pastors say adwuma we wa anye ni ya de obetimi atean eye Nyankopon wone ne ba Jesus Christ
Boku One TV.